Hey everybody, Colin Reed here with MarineMax in Charleston, South Carolina. Today I'd like to show you a brand new inventory piece of ours. It is a Sea Ray 310 SLX outboard. It is a 2026 model year. We have it equipped in the black hull color with our horizon accent. We have a black rub rail with a stainless steel insert. We've got the hard top in white, and then that will match our white V10 400 Mercury Verados to power this boat. Let's hop up inside and check out some more features. So now that we're on board the 2026 Sea Ray 310 SLX outboard, let's check out a few more key features. Once again, I'd like to point out these Mercury V10 400 Verados that are going to power this boat. Great engine, a lot of horsepower. On the port side here, we do have a nice pull-out swim platform. Great space whenever you're at the sandbar or anything, allow you to have a place to swim up and hang on. Nice sun pad here. Can also, on either side, rotate up into two backrests, allow you to look out at the water, see whatever is out in the water, or if there are people in the water in front of you, great place to relax. We do have Fusion stereo controls right here, along with a 12-volt plug and cup holders on either side as well. As we move in, we have dedicated storage here. It is cooler storage, so it is drained and insulated. Here as we move in as well, we have a freshwater spout along with our battery switches as well. Nice, easy access. Also have a step here to allow you to board starboard if you do pull up to a starboard side dock. We also have more storage here. Once again, it is drained, so it could be wet storage. As we enter in, notice very nice U-shaped seating, beautiful dune interior from Sea Ray here. We have storage underneath all seats, along with an insert here for a cockpit table. Here we have a nice setup as well. The Corian countertop flips up, and we have our Kenyon grill underneath, freshwater sink directly beside it, and then below it we do have a nice refrigerator as well. As we move forward into the boat, storage directly underneath my feet here, along with two nice lounge seats. The Helm seat here does have flip-up bolster, just like our port side co-captain seat. Twin Simrad displays, along with our Fusion head stereo system. We have our Mercury binnacle here with controls on the side, along with our trim settings here. This is digital throttle and shift from Mercury, and then we have our joystick piloting option here as well for those 400 Verados. We also have the skyhook and the autopilot features incorporated into this. We do have spotlight control along with trim tabs as well. We do have our VHF radio directly below, within arm's reach if you do ever need it. On the port side here, we are going to have a nice large head. We have our propellers down there right now, but we do have a nice large head with a freshwater sink underneath. Nice glove box storage here, along with some more plugs. If you do need them inside, we do have a 12-volt plug here, along with a few USBs. As we move into the bow, we do have the ability to fully close off our front bow with our windshield that folds over, along with our door that will lock in place. Down below, underneath here, we have our switch panel. So if you ever have any issues, that will be the first place that you go to check all your breakers and everything. Up here in the bow, nice, comfortable, large seating. Feel like you're in the boat. Nice grab rail here if you are underway and you do feel unsafe. More than enough support here. Cup holders along each side, port and starboard. We do have a flip down armrest here and storage underneath all seats. We do have a space for a bow table as well, and then directly underneath it we will display some more storage. Do have an anchor windlass equipped on this boat. We'll have controls here at the helm with our remote, or at the helm or up here at the front with our remote. Once again, here's our spotlight that I mentioned, and then our nav lights directly beside it with a freshwater sprayer for that anchor windlass. If you'd like to learn more about this or anything else that we offer here at MarineMax, please feel free to give us a call at 843-747-1889. As always, check us out on marinemax.com. Once again, I'm Colin Reed. Thanks for watching.